In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on pre-market price label on TradingView. If you're someone who actively trades or monitors the stock market, you know how important pre-market data can be. It gives you an early look at price movements before the regular trading session begins, helping you make more informed decisions. TradingView is a powerful platform for charting and analysis, but enabling the pre-market price label requires a few specific steps. Don't worry though, I'll guide you through the entire process in a way that's simple and easy to follow. Now, before we dive into the steps, if you don't already have a TradingView account, you can use the link in the description below to sign up and get started. TradingView offers a fantastic range of tools for traders and investors, so it's definitely worth checking out. Alright, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to www.tradingview.com. This is the platform we'll be working on to enable the pre-market price label. Once you're there, make sure to log into your TradingView account. This step is essential because you'll need access to your account to modify and save customized chart settings. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the main dashboard. This is the central hub for all of TradingView's tools and features. From here, go ahead and open the chart for the specific ticker you want to focus on. Keep in mind that the pre-market price label applies to individual charts, so you'll need to repeat this process for each ticker you want to customize. Now look over to the right-hand side of your chart. You'll see the price scale. It's the column displaying the price action of the asset you're analyzing, including any pre-market data. Hover your mouse over the price scale. This is an important step because it brings up a contextual menu that lets you customize the price scale. Be careful to position your cursor directly on the price scale itself, not the main chart area. If the menu doesn't appear, just adjust your cursor position slightly until it does. Next, right-click on the price scale. This action will open a settings menu specifically for the price scale. Once the menu pops up, look for the option labeled Labels. This section is where you can control the display of various price indicators and markers on your chart. Now hover over Labels to reveal a secondary menu. You'll see several options here, but the one we're interested in is Pre-Post Price Label. Go ahead and click on that option to enable it. This will activate the display of pre-market and post-market price labels directly on your chart. If you don't see the label appear immediately, don't worry. Double-check that the selected ticker has pre-market data available. Some assets, like cryptocurrencies, trade 24/7 and don't have pre-market or post-market sessions, so the label won't apply in those cases. Just keep that in mind as you're setting things up. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully enabled the pre-market price label on TradingView. This feature is incredibly useful for tracking early price movements and staying ahead of the game during market hours. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.